30 for 30, presented by Mini.
Nature Boy is the story of RIC Flair, one of the greatest wrestlers of all time. But this is really a human interest story, whether you like wrestling or not. He was sort of this flamboyant, cocky, arrogant guy that, every guy wanted to be and every girl wanted to be with. The film is really bookended between two interviews that I did with RIC Flair that were 16 months apart. The very first interview we did for the film and the very last interview we did for the film. Rick kind of opens up in a way that he's never opened up before. He's willing to show all of his warts, the good, the bad, and the ugly of being the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
This 30 for 30 presentation is brought to you by the Mini Countryman. Get more of what matters. This 30 for 30 presentation is brought to you by the Mini Countryman. Get more of what matters.